Hello everyone, a warm welcome. My name is Ashant Shrivastava. I'm part of the Kenview team that's hosting Bengaluru's first ever Oat Nature Lab. It's a historic moment as we launch our partnership with Indian Academy of Pediatricians Bengaluru chapter in hosting pediatric skin talks in the first half, followed by a deep dive into our science via respective demos, anchoring our hero message of Relief, Repair, Moisturize, RRM, 3-in-1 sensitive skincare backed by the power of oat. We're also launching our Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Cleansing Bar, an industry first in many ways, made for newborn skin, co-created with dermatologists and pediatricians, and also no tear formula. So it's a revolutionary product. We're very happy to launch it here. In the second half, we had 50 plus top influencers joining us from across the city. They witnessed the science behind the brand with a session with Dr. Dilip Tripathi, head of R&D for Aveeno Baby. They also went through the same demos that I spoke to you about. There was also a fun DIY, do-it-yourself wash and shampoo, where they actually made a wash and shampoo for their respective kids. We're also joined by several of our customers who have been part of this incredible journey. So a historic first in many ways. Thank you everybody who collaborated for this event. Hoping to do many more such events in the future. Thank you.
Key message to this event.
Okay. The key message for this event is advancing pediatric science backed by the power of oat. Aveeno Baby products are made with colloidal oatmeal, an ingredient that is backed by US FDA for management of sensitive skin condition. So our goal is to take this information to parents so that they can best take care of their baby's sensitive skin with Aveeno Baby and the power of oats. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody.